Hey, what's up guys? How are you doing today? Welcome back to another video. And if you are new to this channel, please kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video, you guys will be notified. So in this video, we're discussing about why you should promote your Fiverr gig on social media platform. So I have read a lot of articles like people are not getting sales using social media platform. So I will explain to you why you should use social media platform, most especially using Facebook to promote your Fiverr gig. So there are thousands of people who use social media to promote your Fiverr gig, and of course, most people think they can just share their gigs link on social media, most especially the Facebook groups, because there are thousands of groups on Facebook regarding Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour, Freelancer.com. So many people are dropping their profile or gig links in order to generate some clicks and also impression to their gigs. So, but most people don't know exactly what this thing actually does. But in this video, I'm gonna tell you or explain to you why you should use social media to promote your Fiverr gig. And don't just think that this doesn't work. Of course, it works, but actually, it might actually take time before you see the results of this. So here I'll be explaining to you why you should promote or share your gig on social media platform. So this is the first reason why you should share your gig on social media platform. So let's say for instance, you share your gig link on a relevant page. Probably you are into like a graphics designer and you join a group like podcast. So you know there are kind of people who are into podcasts but they don't have a podcast art yet. So if you join a group like that and you share your gig link in that particular group, definitely they are going to, so not everyone is going to click on your gig link. And of course, if you found out like 10 people click on your gig link, of course 2 people or just 1 might purchase your service, because the other ones just want to see what your service is all about. But don't forget that you generate a single click from each person that click on your gig link. So definitely you will generate 10 clicks if 10 people click on that link. And Fiverr appreciates something if you try to promote your gig using the social media platform. It's not only your gig you're promoting, but you're also promoting the Fiverr platform on its own. So Fiverr will now think like this person is promoting his gigs through the social media platform. So definitely the bot is going to recognize your gig and also get you ranked to the top page of Fiverr. So now let's take for instance 1 or 2 people out of the 10 that click on your gig purchase your service. So definitely that social media promotion converts, and of course that will definitely increase your gig visibility on Fiverr search. I don't know if you get that logic. Let me explain to you again. For instance, you share your gig on a group that actually related to the kind of service you're offering. But of course, those people are in this group, in that particular group, are not into like service you're offering. This is not a graphic designer group on Facebook. It's a podcast. So, and you are a freelancer that is offering a graphic design service. So now, for instance, you create your gig on Fiverr, then you generate your promotional gig links, then you go to that podcast group, then you share your gig link in that group that you are a professional graphic designer, then you put in details of the kind of service you do, like I design a podcast cover, a podcast art, YouTube thumbnail, YouTube logo, and all the stuff regarding graphic design. So, and then you put your gig link on that link. So once someone that is into podcast doesn't have a podcast art for his or her podcast, so definitely that person is going to click on that link. And of course, don't forget that someone that wants to increase or improve his or her podcast art will definitely also click and see if you can design something more creative than what he or she already have on the channel before. So that person also click on your gig links. So now everybody that click on your gig links equal to 10 people. equal to 10 people. So 10 people click on your gig links. Now, only 2 people or just a single person purchased. Don't forget that you already generate 10 clicks from social media platform using that method, which you generate 10 clicks. And also don't forget you have generated some impression as well. So 2 people now purchase your gig. Definitely Fiverr will notice that you try to promote your gig or your service or your profile on social media platform, and of course it definitely converts. So with this, Fiverr will increase your gig visibility. If your gig was in the 5th page as a graphic designer, your gig will become on probably you might see your gig on the 1st, 2nd or 3rd page, because it will increase in visibility. Your gig will increase in visibility because you are trying to promote Fiverr on its own, not just your service alone. Because you don't forget, once you make any sales on Fiverr have their own 20% commission on every service you sell. So that is best way, or the advantages why you should use social media platform to promote your gigs. I don't know if you understand me, but I think this kind of like in-depth explanation in which you should definitely understand that with this method, with this kind of explanation I give to you, you should note that you should promote your gigs on social media platform, not only Facebook alone. You can use Instagram. You can put your Fiverr gig link on your Instagram bio. On your Twitter as well, there is a section whereby they provide if you have a website. So you can use that method or that section to input your Fiverr gig link, as well as LinkedIn as well. So all these kind of methods or all these kind of social media platforms are very useful for your Fiverr gig promotion. So those are the platform or those are the best ways in which or why you should promote your Fiverr or share your Fiverr gig links on social media platform. I hope this video helps you, and if you have any question regarding this video, please kindly drop a comment and I would love to reply to you. Thank you for watching the video, and see you in the next video.